Hello everyone, this is Rowan Playo and welcome back to my channel, The Second Life Journey. Today I'm going to recreate my spicy garlic shrimp dish but milder, since last time was harsh on our sore throats and coughs. This time I'll be using the most common kitchen ingredients and with less spices, but I will still post the recipe for the original spicy one down below in the description. So here's what we need: a kilogram of shrimps, dressed and deveined, butter, either regular or unsalted, 1/3 cup of minced garlic, 1/4 cup or 2 tablespoons of calamansi or lemon juice, freshly chopped parsley, and the spices. For the spices, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of black and white pepper each, half teaspoon of paprika and cayenne pepper. You can adjust them to 1 teaspoon or more if you prefer. You can also use chili flakes like those sachets from pizza deliveries. Next is olive oil to avoid burning the butter. And last is the flour. If you want the shrimp to be crunchier, you may use cornstarch instead. I would have used the cornstarch, but the all-purpose flour is all I have right now. Let's start by mixing the ingredients onto the shrimp. First is the calamansi juice or lemon if you have. And then the spices. Make sure to mix them properly to evenly distribute the spices. And then we add the garlic. And 2/3 of the chopped parsley. Next, you add salt in the mix. Adjust the salt according to your taste. And finally, we can add the flour or cornstarch. You can also try the store-bought tempura breading or the ready-mix chicken fry breading. But it's better to add flour on the chicken breading to dilute its taste. After that, we set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. When cooking, preheat the pan or skillet with high heat, then lower it down before starting. Pour a small portion of olive oil to avoid the butter from burning. Add the butter and start placing the shrimps. Make sure to cook the shrimps in 2 minutes or less on both sides, or else the shrimps would become chewy and hard. By the time you're about to finish, the aroma of the shrimp and the spices would have been spreading in your kitchen by then. Once you're done with the first batch, add more butter if needed, enough to cook to the next batch. Check the shrimps regularly to avoid burning. Now here's your delicious spicy garlic shrimp, cooked in a very easy way. We just need to top it off with the remaining chopped parsley for a better presentation. Enjoy your meal and see you all again on my next video. Thanks everyone.